Meaning of facetious.
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 Facetious. Facetious means treating serious issues with inappropriate humor or not being serious in a situation that requires seriousness. It is often used to describe someone who is being flippant or joking in a way that is considered inappropriate. People may use facetious language as a coping mechanism or to deflect uncomfortable situations, but it can also come across as insensitive or disrespectful. It's important to be mindful of the context in which you use facetious language and to consider whether it's appropriate for the situation at hand.